special report.
You bum!
This is Steve Goddard of the Minuteman 21 news team at the Santa Juanesta police station. The recent rash of car thefts in the Palm Springs area has finally been solved as the perpetrators were arrested earlier this evening. The ringleader agreed to confess only if a camera crew were present to broadcast live. What you are about to see is a Minuteman 21 news exclusive.
Yeah, we done it! Word to Big Bird. We big 8 Benzitos, 15 Jags, and a Maserati. But I ain't like the upholstery, so I took it back. Jack!
Do you have anything to say?
Dad!
Someone left the cake out in the rain. I don't think that I can take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it, and I'll never have that recipe again.